let me just share in very simple, common man's term, what I mean by sustainable design. Since I'm an architect, I'm going to take the help of geometry to explain my point. So, I have a line here. How will we define a straight line? Beautiful. A longest distance between 2 points. I like that longest word, which means the 2 points are far apart, which means that the beginning of a line is in one place and the end of a line is in another place. That is a straight line, right? And what happens when this is the beginning and this is the end? When a line becomes a circle, when the end becomes the beginning, you get a cyclical process. The difference between linear systems and cyclical systems, as you all have already known, is that linear systems are not in sync with nature because the beginning and the end are far apart. To give an example of a linear system from production or manufacturing or construction, is you input material and labor at one end of the line. The material and labor goes through a process, and at the other end of the line, you have the finished product, pollution, and waste. This is a linear system, which is definitely not in sync with nature. When you have a cyclical system, the waste of one process becomes the wealth of the next process. And hence, it is in sync with nature.